presentation.
She wouldn't let you?
I don't know. I'm not going, actually. Sorry.
I think we needed it. I didn't know. See, now I think now we have like a clear.
I still didn't answer the question. When is it due? Everybody left.
What about the Tuesday before the final?
All right. Tuesday before the final?
Yeah.
That works.
That gives us a whole week.
So I'll send you I'll send you the file.
I'll hand back this week.
What's the test?
The test I'll get back tomorrow.
Okay,
So everything else, like the Tuesday before the final, and then on that.
Yeah, let me think about it. This is not much, just 2 labs that you have to turn in, right?
But
Visual
there's
Mentex
five.
and Spartan.
There's 5 plus the formal, which is
What's that?
so there's 1.
I mean 2. Visual
3,
Mentex,
4,
Spartan,
But for
titration.
For the visual tech, the homework calculations, it was, what are you expecting from us?
Comparing.
Just compare it.
Just the answer, and we got answer from the visual tech, and then our answer.
The hard it was
That didn't-
not using Visual Medtech, but actually using it to get the answers looked for in the book. That was the only.
The thing, the Visual Mentex is this. Both you and Visual Mentex should give you the same answer. Did you?
No.
Then explain.
That's it.
If you and Visual Mentex did not get the same answer, why? Isn't that weird? Or not? Maybe it's not weird. It depends on how you explain it. So explain something. You can't just leave it like, this is the answer I got from Visual Mentex, this is the answer I got when I did the calculation. If they're the same, great. You should say something. Oh, they're the same. Calculation was good. If they're not the same, then you should say something. Oh, they're not the same. So some people will say, oh, they're not the same, and then leave it at that. But, do you think that's an A? No. Some people will say they're not the same, and then why?
So there are only 2.
Some people, I'll tell you, one person turned in 5 pages in the past talking about this. This is why I say there's a bimodal distribution, because that one person's unusual and they would have thrown off the curve, and everybody else would have gotten a C and that person would have gotten an A, right? This is the difference between here sometimes and UC. UC is a lot more competitive. It's just because of the curve. A lot of people want curves, but they don't want the curve to hurt them. They want the curve to benefit them. But what I see is the curve can hurt a lot of people. Well, anyway, just comment. At least say something. If you just say, okay, these are the numbers I got, and without saying anything, then that's not enough. Just say, But, what can you say? When you look at the numbers, are they close? I mean, I look at the numbers and I see some numbers are exceedingly small, which means negligible. These types of things you can talk about. And so you should talk about it, what the numbers mean.
There are only 2 problems, right?
They had to be from 16 and 17 2 problems.
Well,
One from each.
yeah.
That's what he said.
But you picked up the problem,
I
right?
picked out the problems, right? You could just do those problems.
Well, I thought we were allowed to.
Well, he gave us, but we can also choose our own if we wanted to.
Yeah, if you want to choose your own, that's okay too. You could choose your own. Do it then.
Mr. Shabbat, did you see the paper when you got into office?
I saw some papers, but I haven't looked at them yet.
Oh yeah, but you saw some paper.
Yeah.
Okay.
Other questions?
Okay, well.